But that would be depressing for anyone to see that much smog in the air.
I would agree. Kind of reminds me, remember back in the old days in the Salt Lake Valley? I mean, when Geneva plant was still up and running in the 70s
And the smelter
and the 80s. Folks, you'd wake up and you wouldn't see the sunlight for days, and it would just be this gray, brownish kind of a tint to the sky.
Oh, and when the sun went down, the whole sky just went dark red and orange.
Okay, so that's not happening anymore, but we do still get a little bit of pollution here in the Treasure Valley when the air doesn't circulate. Let's see what's happening right now. The air is definitely circulating, folks. I want you to see this time-lapse video. Do you see Sun Valley? Look at the mountains were illuminated this morning by the full moon that we had last night. It was like a beacon out there. It was incredibly bright. Well, today, nice day, and we're getting some clouds. Those high thin cirrus clouds moving in, an indication that something is getting ready to happen in the atmosphere, and that something is another fast-moving storm that's going to be racing in here from the northwest tonight and through at least the first half of the day tomorrow. So with that being the case, there is a potential for rain and snow showers early. It could fall as a little burst of snow, or it could be a little rain-snow mix. It all depends on where you are and exactly what the temperatures are. This storm is right on the ragged edge of being cold enough to be a snowmaker for the valley. However, the west central mountains will pick up 2 to 5 inches of snow, with some elevations possibly getting as much as 10 inches of snow. Then it's going to start turning dry, and then we're going to have a very, very nice weekend. So right now we're watching the leading edge of this next band of shower activity that's moving in. Here's Baker City right there. So up here to the north end of the west is where the core of the shower activity is. Now, a lot of this, there is definitely some rain and snow out there. It's just blocked by the mountains. The radar beam can't see through the mountains, so we don't get all of the information as these storms start rolling into central Oregon. Regardless, we will see a chance of snow showers late tonight and early tomorrow. So the temperature readings right now, is it cold enough to snow? Borderline here in Boise, 38 degrees. Same goes for Nampa, 39 degrees in Caldwell, 40 degrees right now in Ontario. Almost cold enough to start getting some snow up there in Baker City, especially as the front begins to move in. So here's the feature that's dropping in. Again, this is just a series of these very fast-moving storms. The overall pattern that we're seeing along the west coast right now is high pressure. So these storms are having to struggle to get up and over the top of the high pressure. And then as they drop down, we get the residual moisture. So that's the fast-moving storm. Another little feature tries to come in here around Friday. But then after that, high pressure builds in. And once it builds in this weekend, it's going to be guaranteeing lots of sunshine. Not only that, but temperature readings, according to the model data right now, should remain just above average for the next 5 to 7 days. These 7-day forecasts then for the valley, we'll see a chance of rain and or snow showers early. Please be sure, just check conditions bright and early in the morning with Nate Larson to see what it's looking like. We could see a little burst of snow in the valley. I don't expect to see any accumulations, or it could just be scattered rain showers. Then on Thursday, mostly sunny skies, partly cloudy skies on Friday as another weak disturbance passes by well to the north of us. And then on Saturday and Sunday, look at that, sunny skies with temperatures in the mid-40s with dry conditions into the first of next week. And for you folks in the west central mountains, we are going to be seeing snow tonight and snow showers tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies on Friday, mostly cloudy on Friday as another system comes in. And then Saturday and Sunday, we will see sunny to partly cloudy skies with highs in the low 30s.
Looks like a wonderful weekend.
It's a nice weekend, yeah, especially after the cloudy scenario that we had this last weekend.
Yeah.
Looks good.
All right, Roland.